Can archaeology methods uncover how ancient cities survived epidemics? Imagine walking through a city thousands of years ago and trying to figure out how people coped when a deadly disease swept through. Archaeology can help us answer that question. By studying physical remains, archaeologists piece together how ancient cities faced health crises. They look at burial sites for clues like mass graves or hurried burials, which often show a sudden spike in deaths during epidemics. When bodies are buried without coffins or in layers, it suggests a quick response to a crisis. Sometimes, the remains of young adults and children tell us about the disease's impact, since many epidemics hit these groups hardest. Using radiocarbon dating, scientists can determine when these outbreaks happened, matching them with historical records. They also analyze ancient DNA from teeth or bones to identify specific germs, like the bacteria that caused the plague. This helps confirm which diseases affected the population. In cities, the layout and density tell us how diseases spread. For example, densely packed Athens during the Peloponnesian saw rapid disease transmission because of overcrowding and poor sanitation. Archaeologists examine the city's streets, water systems, and waste disposal to see how urban planning influenced health. Cities like Rome built aqueducts and sewer systems that helped control disease spread. When large settlements like Trypillia were abandoned, it might have been because epidemics made living there too risky, prompting people to move to smaller communities. Archaeology also looks at infrastructure like water supply and sanitation facilities. These features show how ancient cities tried to prevent or slow down epidemics. Combining physical evidence with written records from doctors or historians, such as Galen in Roman times, gives a fuller picture of how societies responded. For example, some cities quarantined infected areas or changed their settlement patterns to reduce disease spread. All these methods, examining burial sites, analyzing ancient DNA, studying city layouts and infrastructure, help us understand how ancient cities faced epidemics. They reveal not just the biological effects of diseases but also social responses like quarantine, urban redesign, or population shifts. This shows us how resilient or vulnerable these communities were and what strategies they used to survive health crises.